everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Mimi and today we are going to be tackling these dirty brushes and making them all nice and squeaky clean. So if you'd like to see how I clean my makeup brushes, then please keep watching. So we start off with Dr. Bronner's soap. This one is all natural. I like to get the peppermint one. And it lasts so long, you literally add water, you keep adding water and it just keeps working. I also use one of these little rubber thingamajigers with all the ridges. This one's from Forever 21. I know there's other ones, expensive ones, you don't really need one. They all work the same to me. And I also either put down a towel or these little cleaning towels that I got from the 99-cent store. So I will take a container of any kind, a bowl or whatever, and I will put a little bit of the Dr. Bronner's soap and then add some water. And I literally just swirl my makeup brush in there, making sure that it gets a little coated in the soap. And then I use the ridges and the bumps and all of that and the little rubber cleaning utensil to swirl my brush around and make sure that I get off all the eyeshadow, all the makeup product. If I notice that the makeup product isn't coming out, or the makeup brush isn't really lathering when I clean it, then I will add a little bit more soap just until I get the consistency right. And then you have a nice clean brush that you can use again. Yay! For the eyeshadow brushes, I'll usually use the lined ridges and the smaller bumps on the rubber cleaning. What are those called? I don't know what those are called. If you guys want to comment down below what these rubber cleaning things are called. So after I'm done with all of my eyeshadow brushes and the smaller brushes, I'll go into my face brushes. And honestly, you guys, this is like my favorite part because I love how big they are and how much they lather. And you can really see the makeup product running down. I don't know. It's relaxing, I guess. But what I make sure to do is just get the bristles wet. So I really try not to get the whole brush wet so that you do not intervene with the glue power that there is between the brush and the handle. So yeah, just make sure that you are gentle with your brushes when you're washing them, of course. Then once I am done, I will dump all that nasty water out, ew, and I will clean my rubber thingamajigger cleaner thing with the same soap, and just try to scrub out as much of the makeup residue that is left on there. Then I'll move on to cleaning my makeup sponges. And the way that I do this is using a bar soap. I had heard Raw Beauty Christy talk about hotel bar soaps being this miracle to cleaning your beauty sponge. So I have this one that's from a hotel somewhere that we went to. But then when I told Lala about it, she was like, yeah, any bar soap works. She was just using a regular bar soap. So I guess it's just any bar soap will work to really clean out your sponges. I mean, literally they come out so clean, and I love squeezing all of that makeup product out and then until the water runs nice and clean. And then you have a perfectly new, ready to use sponge. The last thing I do, of course, is clean my sink, because ain't nobody want no dirty sink. But makeup residue does kind of stick to it a little bit when I'm cleaning the brushes. So I'll just go and scrub it really quick. And there you have it, all nice, squeaky clean, ready for next use. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!